Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Windows 11 search bar keeps loading or not working properly. This can be really frustrating because it stops you from quickly finding apps, files, or settings on your computer, but don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can follow to fix it. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Task Manager. Then scroll down until you find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and select Restart. This will refresh your system and often fixes the issue instantly. If that doesn't solve it, press Windows plus or on your keyboard, type services.msc, and press Enter. This will open the Services window. Scroll down and locate Windows Search, right-click on it, and select Restart to refresh the search service. After that, open Settings from the Start menu, go to Privacy and Security, then click on Searching Windows. Scroll down and select Advanced Indexing Options, tap on Advanced. Then click on Rebuild. This will rebuild the search index, which can fix deeper issues with the search function, although it may take a few minutes to complete. Another important step is to make sure your Windows is up to date. Go back to Settings, click on Windows Update, and press Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if needed, as updates often fix bugs and system issues like this. Once all these steps are done, your Windows 11 search bar should start working normally again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.